But now the summer's here, making it the perfect time of year for making brand new friends. And that is just what I intend when I noticed you were standing there. And I was wondering if you might care to be brand new friends with me, because I'm sure that you won't disagree that friends are fine, friends are forever, friends are best when you're together. Friends stick by you through thick and thin, and you seem really cool, so let's be friends. I'm so excited to be friends with you. Just think of all the things that we could do, like playing tic-tac-toe, or maybe go out to a show. We could ride our bikes a long, long way, or just chill inside and game all day. Or we can climb the tallest tree. It doesn't matter long as you're with me. 'Cause friends are fun, friends are forever, friends are best when you're together. Friends stick by you through thick and thin, and you seem really cool, so let's be friends. I know that we'll be hanging all the time, and that you'll be friends with friends of mine, and they'll be friends with all your friends. The friendship circle never ends. 'Cause friends are fun, friends are forever, friends are best when you're together. Friends stick by you through thick and thin, and you seem really cool, so let's be friends. I think you're really awesome, so let's be friends. What are you growing in your garden? Tell me now what you see. What are you growing in your garden? Growing for you and me. Potatoes in the ground and cucumbers on the vine. Lettuce and celery and they sure look fine. Basil and cabbage and you can't go wrong. And they grow as tall as the day is long. And that's what you're growing in your garden. Tell me now, do you see? That's what you're growing in your garden. Growing for you and me.
That's a really cute song, Chucky.
And now a second time in Español. ¿Qué estás sembrando en tu huerto? Dime qué ves tú.
Muy bien.
¿Qué estás sembrando en tu huerto? Para ti y para mí.
Ajá.
Patas en la tierra y peligros en la vida.
Chuck?
La chuza y abriga se ven bien.
Chucky.
La vaca y colas no. Hey, you're laughing at me. Is it my accent?
No, not exactly, Chucky. I think you might have gotten a few of the words wrong. That got a little strange in the middle.
Well, how about you show me how it's done?
You got it, Chuck. ¿Qué estás sembrando en tu huerto? Dime qué ves tú. ¿Qué estás sembrando en tu huerto? Para ti y para mí. Papas en la tierra y pepinos en la rama. Lechuga y apio, qué lindos se ven. Albahaca y coles serán deliciosos. Vamos a ver cuán altos crecerán. Es lo que tienes en tu huerto. Dímelo ahora, ¿ves? Es lo que tienes en tu huerto. Para ti y para mí.
Growing for you and me. Growing for you and me. summer days growing
growing up at home. Some of the best times that I've ever known. Playing with sticks and skipping stones. What could be better? And I remember those summer nights, sleeping out underneath the stars so bright. I wish I might stay here forever. And then I'd pack a lunch and grab a pole, and we head on down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, it was the dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was the dog days of summer. Long tall glass of lemonade, sitting out back on the porch in the shade. I bet I could have sat there for days. What could be better? Blue skies and you and me, swinging from the tire on the sycamore tree. No other place I would rather be, but it can't last forever. And then I pack a lunch and you grab a pole, and we head on down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, it was the dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was the dog days of summer. Have these memories, but I'm just so happy spending days like these with good friends and family. What could be better? And so I'll pack a lunch and grab a pole, and let's head on down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, 'cause it's the dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days will never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It's the dog days of summer. It's the dog days of summer. It's the dog days of summer.
Why don't you come to our Discord server? It's full of fun. Just like all of this. And there's a bunch of this as well. Why don't you come to a safe, secure Discord server ran by Ethan Trains Incorporated? And that's all for this video. Goodbye.
It's time for some jokes from Pasquale. It's time for some jokes from Pasquale. Some jokes from Pasquale.
Hi everyone! I'm gonna start off today with a magic trick. I'm turning this pool party into a comedy party. Ta-da! Alrighty, here's my first joke. Why are elephants always ready to swim? Huh? Do you know? They've always got their swim trunks. Trunks, get it? Well, let's dive into our next joke and see if it makes a splash. Okie dokie. Do you know how to always find a barbecue? It's between the Barba P and the Barba R. Barbecue! oh, you can alphabet on it. I'm really cooking now. So here we go. Did you hear about the swimmer who kept falling asleep? Yeah, they were really using their snorkel. Get it? Snorkel? Well, maybe they wouldn't have fallen asleep if they weren't a diving board. I'm so funny. That's all of the time I got. And there's only a one away off of this stage. Cannonball!
Ground control to all my friends. It must be summertime again. It's been so long since I felt this good. We're gonna blast off from my neighborhood. Gonna fly real fast through outer space. Finally touch down at Chucky's place. So sing with me, every boy and girl. It's a Chuck E. Cheese summer and it's out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, hanging with you is out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, Chuck E. Cheese summer is out of this world. Oh, school year, I dreamed about this day. I learned so much and now it's time to play. Now school's out and the music's on. Feeling so good, now my worries are gone. Our destination is just past Mars. Planet Chuck E. Cheese just beyond the stars. Never been there, you should give it a whirl. It's a Chuck E. Cheese summer and it's out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, hanging with you is out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, Chuck E. Cheese summer is out of this world.
Starlight, star bright, the coolest star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, to have this wish I wish tonight. I wish to play with all my friends. I wish this summer would never end. I wish this wish, thank you and please, to spend my summer with Chuck E. Cheese.
Out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, hanging with you is out of this world. Say, oh,
Dad, do I have to go?
Yes, it'll be fine.
Mom,
It's okay, sweetie. Granny's awesome. You're gonna have a good time.
I don't want to be here. Granny's house, I don't want to stay. I just want to go home. I don't want to be at Granny's house. She be creeping me out. Take me home right now. I don't want to stay at Granny's house. I don't want to stay. I just want to go home. I don't want to be at Granny's house. She be creeping me out. Take me home right now. I don't want to stay here. Oh, geez, this place gives me the creeps.
Hey, Granny, I'm here.
Just a minute, dear.
Is there anything to eat?
What smells like pickled feet? Ugh.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
No thank you, but is your TV broke? And why is the front door locked up so much? Is that some kind of joke? Wait, why do you have a bat? What are you gonna do with that? Get back! Ow. I think there's something cracked. And then I woke up in a different room, sweating and confused. Did she hit me cause I'm feeling it? I bet she left a bruise. Oh, this lady crazy, I gotta escape. But now there's big traps that's surrounding the place. What am I gonna do? I gotta run, cause she's after me, but I don't know what I've done. My cell phone's only got one bar. Let me hide and try to call my mom. Granny's house, something's really weird. I'm feeling kinda scared, please get me out of here. Granny's house, she locked all the doors. I can't find the keys, don't wanna be here no more. Granny's house, I don't wanna stay. I just wanna go home, I don't wanna be at Granny's house. It's really creeping me out, take me home right now. I don't wanna stay here. Hello? Hello? Oh no!
Where'd you go?
Wait, what's that shiny glow? It's a key, that's what it be, but what door is it for? I gotta see. Yes, it's the front door, but there's still a board. I gotta cut a cord and there's another lock. Now I'm hearing creaks all up in the floor that's coming towards. She's above top. Ran down to the second basement. My face was in shock, cause I found a card, but it wouldn't start. Then I got a hammer from the glove box.
I see you.
Yeah, I'm sure that you do. Now why on earth in the toilet are there pliers? I could probably use these to cut the blue wires. Now all I need is the key to escape Granny's house so I can be free. Then I got a yellow key that got me a crossbow and tranquilizer. Popped up right behind her, then I surprised her. Fired a shot, where she dropped. Granny's house, now I got the key, so I'm about to peace out. Yeah, it's time to leave Granny's house. Time to say goodbye. I feel like I can cry, can't believe that I survived Granny's house. Finally getting out, and I'm not looking back. No longer trapped at Granny's house, but still I'm all alone. I gotta get home, but don't know which way to go. Right now I'm looking for a savior, so I went to her neighbors. Hello, you gotta help me.
Oh, yeah. Quick, get inside.
Come with me, let's scatter like a merry
think the world is gonna be a better place.
Tell him, Pasquale.
I got a feeling this is gonna be a special day. Me and my friends are making plans to go out and play.
When I wake up, I'm excited 'cause a new day's waiting for me. Yeah, we're not gonna waste being sad about silly things I can't see. Oh no,
You won't catch me frowning with tears in my eyes. I don't see rain clouds, just sunny skies.
Happy people come along with me.
Come on, everybody.
Get that silly frown right off your face. Put your troubles right there by the doorway. Because today we're having fun at Chucky's Place.
The guys got me here at just about 7 o'clock. I think so. When we get together, I know we're gonna make this place rock. You hear me now?
What do you say we get your friends together with mine? We'll get this party rolling and all have a real good time.
Don't wait a minute, don't hesitate. I'm heading for Chucky's and I won't be late. Happy people come along with me.
Happy people only.
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Turn it upside down.
Put your troubles right there by the doorway.
yeah,
Because today we're having fun at Chucky's Place. People come along with me.
Yo, come on now, huh?
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Look at him. That's right.
Put your troubles right there by the doorway.
you leave them right there, huh?
Because today we're having fun at Chucky's Place.
Speaking for Jasper Jowls, Mr. Munch, Pasquale, and the lovely Miss Helen Henning. I want you people to know how much we appreciate you, because when you have a good time, we have a good time. Thanks for coming back to celebrate with us year after year. Keep smiling, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Top of the morning to you, neighbor.
Hello, neighbor.
Hey there, neighbor. Can I come inside? Come on, neighbor. What you got to hide?
I'm not one for get-togethers, and I don't like social calls. Just imagining me making friends makes my skin begin to crawl.
Hold on, neighbor. One small favor. Let me in your house. Something exciting waits inside the basement. Gotta see the basement tonight.
No one but me can see inside my basement. I'll never ever show what's inside.
Can I see what's in your basement? Howdy, neighbor. I think I found your clue. What's up, neighbor? This belong to you.
I don't want to be your neighbor or to see you sneak around. If I find you breaking in my house, I will put you in the ground.
Whoa there, neighbor. Home invader sounds a little harsh. What kind of secrets wait inside the basement? Gotta see the basement tonight.
Word to the wise to stay out of my basement. I'll never ever show what's inside.
Can I see what's in your basement? Maybe if I just,
Probably not.
or I could try to.
That all you got?
You can't keep me out.
Can't you just
I'll find
go
a way? Good night, neighbor. Close your eyes and sleep. Sweet dreams, neighbor. Hope you're dreaming deep. 'Cause I've gotta see your basement. Gotta know what waits within. Could it be a secret treasure trove or a deadly den of sin? Wake up, neighbor, don't delay. There's someone in your heart. Finally, I'm going down into the basement. Bet that basement's really a sight. One more door between me and the secret basement. Let's open up and see what's inside. Inside my neighbor's basement.
Can't let him get inside my secret basement. Gotta keep it all inside. Don't get any closer, stay out of my basement. I'll never ever show what's inside.
Time to see what's in your basement.
Hey, stupid! Shut the freaking door!
Yeah, seriously. We're in the middle of a hand right now, and I'm winning. At least I think so. How do we play this game?
I opened with sandwich.
Disco, dancing, dinosaur, party. 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 Disco, dancing, dinosaur,
There
party.
is a dino girl, she survived extinction. She adapted with the times and gained distinction. She wrote a novel, yeah, she's a smarty. Now this Jurassic girl is gonna party.
Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur party. Disco dancing dinosaur
She throws a party, turns on the disco at her apartment in trendy Soho. Her neighbor calls the cops to say they are too loud. A noisy disco dancing dinosaur party is just not allowed.
Sorry to break up the fun here, but your neighbor complained about the noise. Between you and me, I think she's just upset that she wasn't invited.
Oh, yeah? Well, where was my invitation? Oh. No. Oh. There it is. It was in my email junk folder. Whoops.
Disco dancing dinosaur party. 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 Disco dancing dinosaur party.
Only 5 minutes until Chuck E. Cheese Live! He'll be out to sing and dance and to make you feel happy! Until Chuck E. Cheese Live! Who's ready to dance? got big ears, he's got buck teeth, and he's just the cutest little mouse you ever did see. I'm talking about Chuck E. Cheese, and he'll be here in 3 minutes to sing and dance with you. Oh, yeah! Only 2 minutes left until Chuck E. Cheese Live!
Okay, me and my friends are gonna teach you an easy dance so you can dance with Chucky. First, we're gonna move like Chucky's friend, Helen. Now, Helen's a bird and loves to flap her wings. So, let's flap our wings. Perfect. Okay, next up, we're gonna move like Chucky's pizza chef, Pasquale. Now, when Pasquale makes the pizza dough, he throws it up into the air and spins his hands. So, let's spin our hands. Excellent. Next up is Chucky's purple pal, Munch. Now, Munch loves to munch on pizza, hence his name. So, let's make our hands into a big munch mouth and do the munch. Very good. Okay, next up, we're gonna move like Chucky's canine pal, Jasper. Now, Jasper's a good old hound dog and loves a good old scratch. So, let's scratch it off. Oh, yeah! Last move of the dance, and I think we all know which this move is. It's time to move like Chuck E. Cheese himself. So, let's get our ears ready and wiggle our ears. You guys are awesome! And guess what? It's almost showtime. In fact, there's only 10 seconds left. Count down with me from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together for Chuck E. Cheese!
Hey there, Chuck, what time is it? It's dancing time again. Alright! Got brand new moves and they're easy to do. And they're all about me and my friends.
Well, who's up first?
It's Helen Henley and she likes to move her feet.
Say what?
Just flap your wings so you look like her when she's dancing to the beat. Flap your wings, flap your wings. Flap, flap, flap.
Well, who's up next?
Pasquale the chef, and he's a real cool guy. Just spin your hand so you look like him when he's making a pizza pie. Spin your hand, spin your hand, spin your hand.
Well, who's up next?
It's Mr. Munch. Eating pizza is his game.
That's right.
Hold your hands in front like a big old mouth and make a munch just like his name. Munch, munch.
That's right.
Munch, munch, munch.
Well, who's up next?
It's Jasper T, and he likes to get on down. Just scratch it off so you look like him when he's a scratching hound. Scratch it off.
Oh, yeah.
Scratch it off. Scratch it off.
Well, guess who's
Well,
next?
I'm Chuck E. Cheese. I'm the mouse that you all know.
Oh, yeah.
Just wiggle your ears so you look like me when I'm putting on a show. Wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears. Now that you know about me and my friends, let the dance begin. Flap your wings by your side.
Like Miss Annie.
Spin a pizza up high.
Like Pasquale.
And do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch.
Oh.
Scratch it off with your hand.
Like Jasper T.
Wiggle your ears if you can.
Like Chuck E. Cheese.
And again. Flap your wings by your side.
Like Miss Annie.
Spin a pizza up high.
Like Pasquale.
And do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch. Scratch it off with your hand.
Like Jasmine T.
Wiggle your ears if you can.
Like Chuck E. Cheese.
And do the munch.
Say what?
Do the munch.
Say what?
Now turn around.
Everybody turn around.
Chase my tail right now.
Oh, yeah.
Wave your hands to the left. Wave your hands to the right. 'Cause friends are out of sight.
Everybody turn around.
Now that you know about me and my friends, it's time for the dance to end.